First, go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select circle, make a circle here in the midpoint with 120 millimeters. Press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, extrude this 128 millimeters and press OK. Operation new body. That's okay, we have it. Now go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create and select arc, 3-point arc. Click here in the midpoint, make an arc here, and create another arc here, okay? And select line, make a line here. That's okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this edge here is 100 millimeters. Okay. The radius here is 80 millimeters of radius. Let's move this a little bit here. Go to constraints. Select tangent. Make this radius tangent with this line here. Okay. Select sketch dimension again. The distance between this sketch and the midpoint here, this point and this point, is 190 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and this point here is 240 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraint, select tangent, make this tangent. Okay. Now select, go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 60 millimeters of radius. Okay, you have it. Finish the sketch. Go to create and select pipe. The path is this sketch here. The section size is 104 millimeters. Operation join. We have this, okay, and press OK. We have this. Let me change this visual here. Sorry. We have it, okay. Now go to create a sketch again, select the front plane here, and select line, make a line here with 60 millimeters of distance. Make this, let me hide this body here, make this a construction type, okay. Go to constraint, select coincident, select this point and this edge here. Okay. Now select a line, click here in this point, make a line here with 80 millimeters. And go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here. And create another arc here. Select a line, make a line here in this point. That's okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and this point here is 240 millimeters. Okay. It is moving here. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical. Click on this point and the midpoint here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 90 millimeters. Constraint, tangent, make this tangent with this and tangent with this. Okay. Make it the both tangent here. Okay. Now go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 110 millimeters. Okay. And click here in this point and this line here. The distance here is 100. Press OK. And finish the sketch. Show the body here. Okay, we have this. Go to create and select pipe. The path is this line here. The section size 104. Operation join, press OK. We have this, okay? Now go to create a sketch, select the front plane again. Go to create, select project, include project. Select this section here, press OK. Select line. Make a line here in the midpoint of this line with 40 millimeters. Line here with 126 millimeter. And make another line here. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here is 5 millimeters. Okay, and the distance between this line here and this line here is 65 millimeters. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to revolve, select this profile here. The axis is this line here. Operation join and press OK. Go to create a sketch, select this face here and select circle. Make a circle here in the center of the circle, okay, with 200 millimeters. Okay, select the circle again, make a circle here with 26 millimeter. Okay, go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, click here in this point, in the midpoint here. Go to create and select circular pattern. The object is this circle and the center point. Click here, and the quantity here is 6 and distribution full. Press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here, okay. Operation cut. The distance here to object, the object, this face, and press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create and select mirror. The object type is the features. The object is the last extrude and revolve that we made. The mirror plane is the right plane. Okay. Press OK. We have this. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in this point, make a square here with 225 millimeters by 225 millimeters. Okay. Go to modify, select fillet. Make a fillet here with 40 millimeters in the 4 sides here, okay, 4 edges. Okay, now select the circle, make a circle here in the center of this radius with 26 millimeters, and here too, make 4 circles here. Okay, finish the sketch and go to Extrude, select this profile here and extrude this 30 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create, select project, include project. Select this head here, okay, or this face. Press OK. We can hide the body here. Select line. Click here in this point, make a line here with 115 millimeters. Okay, make a line here with 40 millimeters. Make a line here, here. Make this cat, then we'll put the dimensions. Okay. Go to constraint here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and this line here is 100 millimeters. Okay. The distance here between these two lines is 40 millimeters. The distance between this line and the center line here is 57 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and this line here is 46 millimeters. Okay. The distance here is 20 millimeters. And the distance here is 10 millimeters. Okay. Finish the sketch. Show the bodies here. Go to revolve. Select this profile. The axis is this line here. Okay. The axis is this line here. The operation here is cut. Press OK. We'll make this. Okay. Let me show for you. Go to section size. Let's flip this. We make this. Okay. We make this cut here. Okay. Let me hide this analysis. Now let me show the analysis here. Show the sketch 2 that we made. Go to create and select pipe. Select the path is this sketch here. Okay. And the section size here is 64 millimeters. And the operation cut, we have this. Okay. Press OK. Let me hide this sketch. Now go to create a sketch and select this face here. Select center diameter. Click here in this point. Make a circle here with 64 millimeters of diameter. Press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this profile here. Cut this. Okay. Operation cut. Press OK. We'll have this. Great. Now let's show the sketch 3. Go to create and select pipe. Section circular. The path is this sketch here. Operation cut. And section size 64 millimeters. And press OK. Let me hide the sketch here. We have this. Okay. Let me hide the analysis. We make the hole here. Okay. We have this. Now let me hide this analysis here. Let me hide this. Go to fillet. Select this edge here and this edge. This edge and this edge here and this edge and this edge here. The fillet here is 5 millimeters. Go to edge selection set. Select here, here, and here. The fillet here is 80 millimeters. And select this. Go to edge selection set. Select this. The fillet here is 15 millimeters. And press OK. We have this. Let me show the analysis here. Okay. Show the analysis and go to modify. Select the chamfer. Okay. Select this edge here. And this edge here. This edge. And this edge. The chamfer here is 5 millimeters. And select this edge too. Okay. 5 millimeters. And press OK. We have this. And select fillet again. I forgot this one. The fillet here is 3 millimeters. sorry, 3 millimeters here. Press OK. We have this. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more exercise.